What's up everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'll show you how to connect a custom domain name to your Canva website. So you might not know that Canva, the site that is known for creating like designs, you can create virtually any design from posters to logos to anything. However, you can also create fully functional websites on it. And the best part is you can connect your website to a custom domain name to make it fully yours. However, you must keep in mind that in order to connect a custom domain name or even domain name that you purchased from a domain name provider, you need to be subscribed to the Pro plan on Canva. So as you can see, I'm signed into my account and here it says Pro, so I'm on the Pro plan. And that's why I can add a custom domain name to my website. If you're not on the Pro plan, you cannot add a custom domain name. So that's one thing to keep in mind. So in this video, I'll connect a custom domain name I purchased from Hostinger. However, the process should be pretty much the same for any domain name provider such as Namecheap or GoDaddy or others. So here I'll show you pretty quickly how to create a website. I will not go in depth on how to edit the website design. I'll just show you pretty quickly how to arrange it and then how to add the custom domain name. So here in the search bar on Canva, you just enter website to access the website templates available by Canva. And here you can view all the templates that are available. Of course, you can choose one that fits your business type. So let's say I like this one. Okay, I'll just click on it, preview it. And then if I choose or if I decide I want to use this template, I'll just click on customize this template. And it'll open up the template in the editor. So here I can scroll down, view the different designs. Pretty much in any Canva project, I can add elements, I can edit text, I can edit the colors. So for example, this title, I can click on it. I can use AI to rewrite it if I want to. However, I want to type it myself. So click again to edit the text and I can add a link. So if someone visits this website and clicks on this link, they can access a page or product or something else. So here, let's say test site. Now I can edit all the elements. I can, for example, for the text, I can edit the size, the color, bold, make it bold, italic, underline, add the alignment, edit the alignment, sorry, and add effects and so on. Edit the font as well. And for any button, like this button, for example, I can edit the fill color, edit the border color. Let's make it this one. The border weight and corner rounding. I can make it rounder. I can make it this design or dotted. Okay, like this one. I can edit the text here, text color, text styles, and text size, font, and so on. And for the elements as well, these are graphic elements. So if I go here to elements, I can search for any element that I want. Let's say sun. Okay, I can add graphics, photos, videos, and frames shaped like the sun to add photos on them. So let's add this element, for example, and maybe rotate it a bit here. Okay, great. I can click on these three dots to add the arrangement or the layering. I can bring it forward or send it to back, and I can delete full elements and move them around and group them and ungroup them and so much more. So as you can see here, it's pretty much like how you edit any Canva design. And if I click on the background, I can edit the background color as well. And I can add images to the background and add the position, add animations to the background and so much more. Now, once I'm happy with all the changes that I made and how my website looks like, I can click here, go here to the top to preview the website, how it'll look like. Click on preview. It'll give me a window pop-up that'll show me how the website looks like. I can interact with the different elements, so I can scroll, I can view the icons here. Of course, I haven't added any links. That's why I cannot click on them. I can view how it look like also on the mobile phone. Okay, scroll down. That's how it look like on the phone. And another reason why I cannot click on the buttons is because I chose without navigation. If I here from this drop down menu choose with navigation, it load up the site once again. And now I can click like on the navigation or the main navigation menus here: home, about, features, product, and so on. So if I click like on products, I'll go to the product page. So it's basically, this website is like a like one-page website. Okay, now to add a custom domain name, just like close the preview here, and now click on publish site. And now this like side menu will appear, and I need to check this one, resize on mobile, and then with navigation. Now you have here three options. You can get a free domain. I'll publish it with a random like generated Canva domain that'll be free. You can purchase a new domain. So if I click on purchase domain, I can purchase a new domain right from within Canva. So just that's pretty cool. Or use an existing domain that I already have. So in this case, I'll use a Hostinger domain name. That's howtosimple.tech. I purchased this domain name on Hostinger. And as I told you, the process is pretty much the same on any domain name provider. Now, I'll click on use my existing domain, click on continue, and then I'll need to add the domain. So go to Hostinger, highlight the domain name, copy it, and then paste it here. Then click on continue. Okay, and now I need to add a couple of records to Hostinger's DNS page. So I take a TXT record, an A record, and another A record. Let's start with this one, the TXT record. So to add DNS records, just simply go to Hostinger, go to your domain name here, click on manage. As you can see here, I'm on the home tab in my Hostinger account. Click on manage, and then it'll open up like the settings for my domain name. Go to DNS name servers here on the left. And then here I have old name servers from like an old website that I was trying to connect. And here I cannot add DNS records because I like changed the default DNS or the default name server, sorry, for this website or this domain name, trying to connect it to other website in the past. So I'll need to change the name servers and use the Hostinger name servers instead, the default ones. Click on save. And now I'll need to close it. And once I did so, now I can add name records, or I can add DNS records, sorry. Now the first one is a TXT record. Okay, so the type is TXT. Now I'll need to edit the name and the value. The TTL, I'll just leave it as it is. So the name here, name, host, alias, because the like the title may vary depending on the provider. So in Hostinger it says name, in other providers it might say host or alias. So I'll copy it nonetheless, and then paste it here in the name. And in the value, or it might say points to on your provider, just copy this, go here, paste the value, and then click on add the record. Okay, the record is added. Now go and click on TXT record added. Now I'll need to add an A record. Okay, click here, A, make sure it says A. Now the host is at, leave it as at here by default. Now I'll need to copy the value, or points to, and then paste it here in points to. The labels are like pretty much self-explanatory. Now add the record. Okay, it says here you have to add record existing. So if you see this pop-up message, just click on confirm. And now I'll need to delete these add records that are like existing here. So delete this one, 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 delete, delete, delete. Okay, so keep deleting them, and then it'll update your DNS names here. And once you did so, just try to add this record once again. Okay, the name is at, sorry. Now click on add the record. And now the record is created successfully. Go back to Canva, record added. And now I need to add another A record with the name www. Now add another A record, name www, and then copy the value here, or points to, paste it in the value here, and then click on add record. Here it says you have an existing A record and you want to add another one, so click on confirm. Okay, it conflicts with another one, so let's say here, okay, I have another www. that is connected to an old Shopify store. I'll just delete it. And then let's try once again to add this record. Okay, confirm. And it is now added. So go back to Canva, click on a record added, and that's pretty much it. All you need to do now is connect domain. And now you need to edit some simple settings. You can add page description, and you have here advanced settings here. You need to definitely keep the search engine visibility enabled and link preview enabled. Here the page description that'll appear in your search engine. And now if you want to add a URL, or you want to edit here the preview text that'll appear in your browser's tab. So here, if you want to edit it, click on the pen. Let's enter test website. Okay, click on preview. That's how it look like. Now, once you edit all your settings, just click on publish, and your website will go live on the domain name that you added. Okay, so it's preparing my design right here. And now it's added. However, it tells you that it might take up to 72 hours for the connection to be done and your website to become live on the domain name that you entered. So that's pretty much what you need to do to connect a custom domain name, in this case by Hostinger, to your Canva website.